Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to easily and quickly shape Easter Bunny Buns rabbit bread. It is an absolute blast. Now, let's get started. The process begins with mixing the dough, which is always a delightful experience as you watch the ingredients come together to form a soft, pliable mixture. You can deep fry, steam, or bake the same bread dough. Kneading the dough is not only therapeutic, but also allows you to get creative with the shape of the bunnies. I will include the full recipe in the video description below for both the bread dough and the homemade red bean paste filling. This video focuses and clearly shows you how to shape it in a simple and quick way. I really enjoy homemade red bean paste filling. It's healthy since it's made fresh that day, and you know exactly what ingredients are in it. Plus, it tastes amazing and is super addictive. If you want, you can just have plain bunny buns with no filling. Once they're baked, you can enjoy them with cold butter or peanut butter, and they taste amazing too. Shaping it into adorable three little bunnies brings out the inner child in everyone. The bunny eyes. You can use raisins or chocolate chips. After shaping the dough, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rise for at least 15 minutes for the second fermentation. Just bake at 150°C for 15 minutes. For the glaze, mix 1 teaspoon of water with 1 teaspoon of honey or golden syrup until well combined. Brush this on the bread once it's baked. Once the bunny breads are out, brush them with the honey glaze. You'll notice how golden brown, shiny, and beautiful the tops look. I just tied 3 ribbons, rinsed them under running water, and dried them before placing them on the bunny bread. Oh wow, it looks so cute to eat. It made me really happy, and it was so much fun to do this weekend. Sharing these delightful treats with family and friends makes the whole experience even more enjoyable, turning a simple baking session into a cherished memory. I hope you all have a wonderful Easter Sunday. Thanks for watching, and goodbye, my friends.